Hello guys, welcome to PR Infotech. In this video, I will show you how to make Indian flag using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. I'm taking a div element with class name container. This container holds our flag and another div element with ID flag. And in Indian flag we have three stripes. For each stripe I am taking three individual div elements with class name stripe. For each stripe I am taking individual div elements with class name stripe and ID as their colors. For saffron I am giving ID as saffron. In the white stripe I am giving image tag with Ashok Chakra source image and class name as Ashok Chakra. For green I am giving ID as green. We have finished our HTML code. Let's start styling this. I am taking background color as gray so that white color in our flag appears good and differ from background. And container as display flex. Flex property makes our flag responsive and justify property as center. This takes entire space and I am giving margin top as 5 pixel. This margin top 5 pixel gives space above the flag as 5 pixel and stripe width as 300 pixel and height as 80 pixel. For saffron I am giving background color. Saffron hexadecimal code is #FF9933. In white I am giving Ashok Chakra, so I am taking display as flex. So Ashok Chakra also responsive. It behaves responsive. Background color as white. Hexadecimal code for white is #FFFFFF. Justify content as center. And I am aligning Ashok Chakra center to the white stripe. So I am giving align items as center. For green ID I am giving background color as hash one 8808. This gives green color. I am making Ashok Chakras width and height as 60 pixel, so it looks like circular. We have completed our coding, so our flag is ready. Thank you guys. Subscribe to PR Infotech.